To own a ride a super-fast motorcycle may be one of your dreams. The question is, if you have enough money in your pocket, which motorcycle would you buy the fastest one? Right here the list of 11 fastest motorcycles in the world. 11 Ducati 1098S 169 miles per hour. Ducati 1098S is one of the fastest and most selling superbikes in the world. The 1099cc engine with 160 HP power helped to attain a maximum speed of 169 miles per hour, with the highest torque-to-weight ratio. Ducati 1098S features many racing components and weight-saving technologies, which make it a complete speed machine. It is the lightest and fastest motorcycle from Ducati with an efficient suspension. Key specifications: 1099cc liquid-cooled L twin-cylinder engine, Morelli electronic fuel injection, 0.6-speed transmission and dry multiple clutch with hydraulic transmission. Maximum power 160 HP at 9,750 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 123 Nm at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Top speed 169 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kmph 3.2 seconds. Front brakes 2,330 mm discs, 4-piston calipers. Rear brakes single 245 mm disc, 2-piston caliper. 10 BMW K1200S 174 miles per hour, a hypersports touring motorcycle from BMW. This motorcycle features an 1157cc 16-valve 4-cylinder engine, which generates power of 164 HP at 10,250 revolutions per minute. BMW K1200s can reach a maximum speed of 174 miles per hour. This powerful motorcycle also has revolutionary suspensions and efficient brakes for stopping bikes safely from blazing speed. Just like the cars from BMW, this superbike also features eye-catching design. Key specifications: 1157cc DOHC 16-valve 4-cylinder engine, 0.6-speed manual transmission. Maximum power 164 HP at 10,250 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 129 Nm at 8,250 revolutions per minute. Top speed 174 miles per hour. 0.0100 kmph 3 seconds. Front brakes 2,320 mm disc with 4-piston calipers. Rear brakes single 265 mm disc with 2-piston caliper. Of course, trains can't fly over oceans like airplanes. But that doesn't mean trains can't run as Travel 9 Aprilia RSV 1000R mil 175 miles per hour. Aprilia RSV 1000R mil is the fastest superbike from Aprilia company. This motorcycle has a 998cc V-twin engine, produce 141.13 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute. RSV 1000R mil can cross 0 to 140 kmph in just 10 seconds. The top speed of Aprilia RSV 1000R mil is 175 miles per hour. This motorcycle also has stunning design and best quality seat. Key specifications: 998cc 4-stroke 60 degrees V-twin engine, liquid-cooled cooling system, multi-plate clutch and 6-speed transmission. Maximum power 141.13 HP at 10,000 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 107 Nm at 5,500 revolutions per minute. Top speed 175 miles per hour. 0.8 megavolts Agusta F4 1000R at 184 miles per hour. MV Agusta F4 1000R is the second series of F4 1000 motorcycle from Italian manufacturer Agusta. It is a limited edition superbike from the company. This superbike has 1000cc 16 radical valves liquid-cooled engine. This motorcycle can produce a maximum power of 174 HP and max torque of 115 Nm at 10,000 revolutions per minute. MV Agusta F4 1000R can reach 100 kmph in 3.1 seconds, and its top speed is 184 miles per hour. Key specifications: 998cc 4 cylinders 16 radical valves DOHC liquid-cooled engine, Maximum power 174 HP. Maximum torque 115 Newton-meters at 10,000 revolutions per minute. 0.6 speed transmission. Top speed 184 miles per hour. Front brakes dual 320 mm disc with 4 pistons radial caliper. Rear brake single 220 mm disc with 2 piston radial caliper. Human have started to build more powerful and high-speed objects for decades to reach distant universe. 7 Yamaha YZF-R1 186 miles per hour. YZF-R1 is the most impressive motorcycle from Japanese manufacturer Yamaha. The first motorcycle from famous R1 series came out in 1998. Now, 2017 edition Yamaha R1 officially unveiled. The new 2017 YZF-R1 features 998cc liquid-cooled 16-valve DOHC inline 4-cylinder engine. It produces a maximum power of 200 at 13,500 revolutions per minute. The top speed of new Yamaha YZF-R1 recorded at 186 miles per hour. Key specifications: 998cc liquid-cooled 16-valve liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, fuel injection, 6-speed transmission. Maximum power 200 HP at 13,500 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 112.4 Nm at 11,500 revolutions per minute. Top speed 186 miles per hour. Feature Motage-inspired electronic package for high performance. Standard traction control, quick launcher, and advanced stabs. Front brakes 320 mm, 4-piston caliper hydraulic dual discs. Rear brakes 220 mm hydraulic single disc. 0.6 Honda CBR110XX Super Blackbird 190 miles per hour. Grab our newsletter. Never miss a list from TMW. Honda CBR110XX is the fastest sports tourer motorcycle from Honda till now. This series manufactured between 1996 and 2007. In 1997, Honda CBR110XX held the title of the fastest production motorcycle by defeating the legendary Kawasaki ZX-11. CBR110XX can hit a top speed of 190 miles per hour with the powerful 152 horsepower 1137 cc engine. The dual counterbalancer shaft provides exceptional smoothness for this superbike. Key specifications: 1137 cc, 4-stroke, inline 4 engine, 0.6 speed transmission. Maximum power 152 HP, maximum torque 119 Nm at 7,250 revolutions per minute. Top speed 190 miles per hour. Twin balance shaft for exceptional smoothness. Front brakes 310 dual discs with 3-piston calipers. Rear brakes 256 mm single discs with 3-piston caliper. 0.5 Suzuki Hayabusa 194 miles per hour. Hayabusa is named after the Japanese name of peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world, which flies at a speed of 203 miles per hour. At a top speed of 194 miles per hour, the Suzuki Hayabusa could even reach close to peregrine falcon. Hayabusa is the fastest superbike from Suzuki. This ultimate superbike features a 1,397cc 4-cylinder 16 valves liquid-cooled engine that produced the power of 197 HP at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Key specifications: 1,340cc 4-stroke DOHC 4-cylinder 16 valves engine, 0.6 speed constant mesh transmission. Maximum power 197 HP at 9,500 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 155 Nm at 7,200 revolutions per minute. Top speed 194 miles per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour 2.5 seconds. Idle speed control system to keep engine stable in different conditions. Advanced fuel injection system from Suzuki for high combustion efficiency. Front brakes 2,310 mm discs, Brembo monoblock radial mount calipers. Rear brakes single 260mm disc with Tokiko caliper. 0.4 Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R 208.1 miles per hour at the top speed of 208.1 miles per hour. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R is the second fastest production motorcycle till date. This super machine could cross 0 to 100 kmph in just 2.7 seconds. Ninja ZX14R features a 1441cc 4-valve liquid-cooled engine. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R can produce a maximum power of 197.3 bhp at 10,000 revolutions per minute. For a decade, superbikes from Ninja series hold the first position among the list of fastest motorcycles in the world. Key specifications: 1441cc 4-valve liquid-cooled engine, 0.6-speed transmission and wet multi-disc clutch. Maximum power 197.3 bhp at 10,000 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 158.2 Nm at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Top speed 208.1 miles per hour. 0 to 100 kmph 2.7 seconds. 0 to 200 kmph 7.2 seconds. Front brakes 2,310 pedal discs, 4-piston calipers. Rear brakes single 250mm pedal disc, 2-piston caliper. 0.3 MTT turbine superbike Y2K 227 miles per hour. A non-production motorcycle. Marine Turbine Technologies, which is recognized as the most powerful production motorcycle by Guinness Book of World Records. To be specific, Turbine Superbike Y2K is a wheel-driven motorcycle with a turboshaft engine that manufactured between 2000 and 2005. This motorcycle has been designed to extract the heat energy from the exhaust and convert it into output power. It features Rolls-Royce 250C18 turboshaft engine that produces a maximum power of 320 HP at 52,000 revolutions per minute. The top speed of Y2K Superbike has been recorded at 227 miles per hour. Key specifications features Rolls-Royce 250C18 turboshaft engine, 0.2-speed semi-automatic transmission. Maximum power 320 HP at 52,000 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 576.5 Nm at 200 rpm. Top speed 227 miles per hour. Front brakes 2,320mm discs with 4-piston Brembo calipers. Rear brakes single 320mm disc with 4-piston caliper. 0.2 Kawasaki Ninja H2R over 249 miles per hour. The hyper-sports Kawasaki Ninja H2R is the fastest production superbike till date. It's a track-only motorcycle. At whopping 300 HP power, the supercharged Ninja H2R can hit over 249 miles per hour. This unbelievably powerful machine features 998cc supercharged DOHC inline-4 engine. Kawasaki also uses trellis frame for the first time on Ninja H2R. It provides strength and better control to this motorcycle. Inspired by MotoGP F1 races, Kawasaki also includes dogring transmission, which provides fast, smooth shifting. Key specifications: 998cc supercharged DOHC inline-4 engine with 300 HP power. 0.6-speed dogring transmission. Highly efficient Kawasaki supercharger to acquire incredible acceleration. World-class KYB racing suspension. Maximum power 310 HP at 1400 rpm. Maximum torque 156 Nm at 1250 rpm. Top speed over 249 miles per hour. Front brakes 2,330mm, dual SMI floating, radial mount discs with 4-piston calipers. Rear brakes 250mm single disc with opposed 2-piston calipers. 1 Dodge Tomahawk 420 miles per hour at the top speed of 420 miles per hour. The Dodge Tomahawk is the world's fastest motorcycle ever produced. Dodge unveiled this ultimate superbike in 2003. According to the reports, only 9 of this motorcycle has been sold yet. Dodge Tomahawk features 8.3 liters V10 SRT10 Dodge Viper engine. It can produce a maximum power of 500 HP. Unlike other superbikes, Dodge Tomahawk has 4 wheels, 2 front wheels and 2 rear wheels. Surprisingly, Tomahawk could cross 0 to 60 miles in just 1.5 seconds. Key specifications: 8.3-liter V10 SRT10 Dodge Viper engine, 2-speed manual transmission, maximum power 500 HP at 5,600 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 712 Nm at 4,200 revolutions per minute. Top speed 420 miles per hour. 0 to 60 miles 2.5 seconds. Rear brakes dual 508mm 16-piston discs. Front brakes single 508mm 8-piston discs.